Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have a US Google account and a US phone number. Now sign into the Google Voice app and accept permissions. Once done, link your US number to Voice for verification and choose a voice number if prompted. Make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled on your phone and the app has background data access. Also verify your device region settings. Don't block VoIP. This avoids surprises. These steps start the connection, so you can place and receive calls abroad. Next, configure how calls reach you in Europe. Forward Google Voice to a local SIM if you want cellular fallback, or keep calls inside the app to save on roaming. Once set, tweak caller ID, voicemail greetings, and confirm international calling credit or payment method to place outbound calls. Make sure your local carrier doesn't block VoIP by testing short calls, and consider a VPN only if your network restricts Google services. These middle steps ensure reliable two-way calling. Finish by testing incoming and outgoing calls, text messages, and voicemail while on local networks. Once confirmed, lock your app settings and monitor billing for international minutes or credits. If audio is choppy or calls fail, check app permissions, switch Wi-Fi networks, disable restrictive VPNs, and inspect NAT type. Carrier-grade NAT can block SIP. Also verify your payment method and Google account country settings. This final pass secures functionality and gives you one key troubleshooting path.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.